One of the problems I've always ran across, and maybe this is your problem as well as an investor, it's that final 10%. It's that final, like all contractors, I'm not throwing, all contractors except for Chris.
No.
They all start out gangbusters. Like day one, they're gutting stuff, ripping it out, framing, everything's going amazing, and then it just starts slowing down. And then by the end, it's like there's so much, like doorknobs aren't on, trim's not finished, that's not painted, there's overcuts around the plates and so forth. How do you handle that with your contractors? Are you doing a large holdback?
Yes, I do. It's at least 10% that I'm holding back for that final payment, even though all work is essentially done. It is that the punch list things that take forever to get done. For some reason, it just takes so long to get those little things done, and then there's a punch list after the punch list because you didn't do all the things right on the punch list. But I calculate for that time within the contracted period.
I'm probably just as hard on the people who work for me as an investor would be on any contractor. I get so furious when the job needs to be 100% done. And it's like, you didn't do it 100%. There's an outlet cover plate missing. There's, you didn't caulk around the sink. You didn't do this. I walk through the house and I'll take 20, 30 pictures, point at it, and I send it to the guys and say, these are the things I want done. I am just as hard on them as anyone else because I want to train them to think like it's their money. It's their job. They're doing it for their own benefit. And it really is hard to train people like that.
I literally believe there's a need in the marketplace that you could have something called punch-out construction, and all you do is finish everyone's job. Your job is to show up and just finish.
Yeah.
I've done that for you a few times.
You have.
I know.
I've had, you know how many times I've hired a punch-out crew? I get so frustrated with my guys. I'm like, you know what, guys, just go start another job because I'm not going to see you every day. Again, just go do your gangbuster part.
Yeah.
Everyone has their strong points.